Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 Long Lasting Primer. 30 ml quantity, price is 275 rupees. Available on Nykaa, Myntra and on many apps. This is non-sponsored video. Let's see what it claims. One primer, 3 benefits. It primes, protects and moisturizes at the same time. Waterproof, creates smooth base, non-oily, non-greasy, lightweight, breathable, cruelty-free, PETA certified, toxic-free, FDA approved, made in India product. How to use? Apply moisturizer before the primer. You can skip the moisturizer. Use your fingertips to apply and blend. Wait for primer to dry, then apply the foundation. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive skin. This primer suits me, didn't irritate my skin, but it peels off. I tried it many ways and many times. I tried to mix the primer with the foundation, then applied and it get peeled. Then mixed with the concealer, still it get peeled. I didn't apply it too much, then it did nothing. Makeup looks weird whenever I use this product. I'm not using this, money get wasted. And if you like this product, then you can continue. Don't consider this. That's my review. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you are already using this product, then you can share your thoughts in the comment section below. That will be really helpful for us. Let's meet in the next video.